An exceptional 4+1 bedroom brick home with 4 washrooms overlooking the Riverside Golf Course and situated on a prestigious street within the highly sought-after Pickering Village neighborhood of Central West Ajax. Welcome to 84 Roberson Drive. Showcasing a circular interlocking driveway, a double-car garage, and a covered front porch with ornamental railing that overlooks landscaped gardens, through double front entry doors fully paneled with decorative glass inserts is a beautifully renovated home that opens with an expansive sunken foyer illuminated by an elegant chandelier suspended from its cathedral ceiling. The sunken formal living room has a 12-foot ceiling with pot lighting and crown moldings, this inviting entertaining space also having classic pillars gracing its entry, the coziness of broadloom, as well as windows with front and backyard views. The foyer's stunning floor tiles are continued throughout the reception area, hallways, and into the kitchen, and broadloom also adds coziness to the relaxing den, which has ambient track lighting and a wall cutout to further its openness to the rest of the level. Hardwood flooring, built-in oak bookcases, and a gorgeous oak mantel with a tiled hearth surrounding a gas fireplace enhance the warm and inviting aura felt in the family room, which features crown moldings and pot lighting, a large north-facing window with a deep ledge allowing for outdoor views and natural brightness, and for entertaining, an openness to the kitchen. Exuding modern elegance and a functional layout that is a home chef's delight, the kitchen showcases a coffered ceiling with pot lighting, a large island with a stainless steel double sink, dark cabinetry with molded uppers, accent lighting, upgraded hardware, and great storage that includes a pantry, stone counters and a stone-tiled backsplash, as well as stainless steel appliances that include a built-in dishwasher and microwave, oven, and a French door fridge. Along the turret wall in the breakfast area is a sliding door walkout onto a raised deck from which to enjoy views of the golf course. And the kitchen also has direct access to the formal dining room, which enjoys backyard and golf course views, as well as showcasing the rich warmth of hardwood flooring and the elegant finishing touches of crown moldings, wainscoting, and a modern chandelier. To the upper level is a staircase with the classic finish of dark-stained hardwood treads and railing with white risers and spindles. This level featuring hardwood flooring throughout the hallway and in the master suite, while the second, third, and fourth bedrooms all have the coziness of Berber broadloom. The second bedroom has a south-facing exposure that floods it with warm natural light, and both this and the third bedroom feature double-sized closets with single doors. The common-use 4-piece washroom showcases a stone-tiled floor, a ceramic-tiled bath and shower area, as well as a vanity with a stone counter and glass vessel basin. And the fourth bedroom has a sun-washed sitting area with 3 south-facing windows along its turret wall, the arched center window having a vaulted ceiling above it. This bedroom also featuring a double closet, a ceiling fan, and semi-private access to the common-use washroom. Through a double-door entry lies the master suite, where 4 windows along its north wall allow for abundant natural light, as well as backyard, ravine, and golf course views. This lovely retreat features crown moldings and a ceiling fan, a walk-in closet and a spacious sitting area, and a bright yet relaxing ensuite washroom that showcases tiled finishes and crown moldings, double basins with its vanity, which offers exceptional toiletry storage, a shower area with a glass door, as well as a step-up corner tub with 2 windows above it. The living room's partially open ceiling, plus a vaulted ceiling with a south-facing second-story arched window above the foyer, enhance the grandeur and spaciousness of the home's interior entrance, and the lower level can be accessed via 2 staircases, one which is off the main level hallway, with this level featuring tiled flooring and pot lighting throughout, a spacious bonus room, a large cold room, and storage under the main staircase. The recreation area offers exceptional space for entertaining that can easily spill to the outdoors during the warm weather months through 2 walkouts to the backyard, one which is a set of sliding doors in the games area. Movie nights are enjoyed in a family media room featuring upgraded floor tiles and a built-into-the-wall media niche. The games room can also be used for dining or conversation areas, and through a set of French doors is the bar room, which features tiled accent walls, stone counters and a stainless steel sink, and more than ample beverage, stemware, and snack storage. This room having the second walkout to the backyard. This level also features a 3-piece washroom with a walk-in shower area, and adjacent to the washroom is the secondary staircase to the main level. This one leading to a sunken laundry and mudroom that has access to the garage, closet and cabinetry storage, a side door entry, a stacked front-load washer and dryer, as well as ceramic flooring. And just a few steps up from here, off the reception hallway, is a powder room featuring crown moldings and a vanity with a stone counter. The raised deck off the breakfast area has a spiral staircase to access the backyard, and during the summer months, the backyard transforms into a gorgeous outdoor oasis that is tree-lined for privacy, and which showcases an in-ground pool, extensive stone landscaping that includes a huge interlocking patio area, as well as perennial gardens, and surrounded by ornamental fencing so as not to inhibit the view of the natural beauty beyond the backyard. Nestled on one of the most prestigious streets in Pickering Village, with a beautiful ravine setting and the Riverside Golf Course just beyond its backyard, this home is also close to public and Catholic schools, as well as the walking trails of the Duffins Creek Conservation Area. And it's just a short drive to shopping plazas, the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and for access to Highways 401 and the 407.